Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this channel I show you step-by-step tutorials on how to make money online and also avoid online scams. Okay, so in today's video I want to show you step-by-step guide on how to carry out the last task on Paws Airdrop. Guys, stay with me. I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to carry out Paws Airdrop. The last task. So stay with me in this video so that you don't lose your points, like lose all your points or become ineligible for the airdrop that is coming very very soon. Okay, so stay with me in this video. Do not step away, stay with me. So let's dive right in to do this thing right now. Okay.